I've been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1 year, 4 months, and 3 weeks. As of today, I have achieved a 10.2% rate of return. Check out my progress for this week. By Friday, the S&P 500 rallied by 2.4% and I call it a wow week.
Wow!
Why? Historically, the S&P 500 has seen an average annual increase of about 10%, and in this single week, we almost hit a quarter of that. I mean, really, what else we could ask for? The low CPI data boosted the crazy run for this week, as most investors now believe it's very unlikely for the Fed to raise the interest rate again in December due to the very optimistic CPI data. And then the market turned out like this. Alright, maybe not that crazy, but you got my point. Our portfolio benefited from this surge as well. On Thursday around 2 p.m., I bought $50 of VOO for this week. Currently, we have accrued 9.8 shares in total with a market value of $40.77, meaning we have made a profit of $3.77 so far, resulting a rate of return of 10.2%. In this chart, you can see the entire journey of my investment. Can you believe it? The last time we saw a double-digit return rate was 2.5 months ago, and then it fell hard, and now we're back again. What a roller coaster ride. But hey, this is the nature of the stock market. All we need for the success is a little bit consistency and patience. If you feel this video helpful, please feel free to join me. If I can do it, you can do it better. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next week.